And here's my secure folder. Now I'll show you how to hide or unhide the secure folder in Samsung Galaxy. Go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, if you scroll down, then you'll find this option here, more security settings. Just tap on that. And here tap on secure folder. Now verify your secure folder lock. And here you will find this option, add secure folder to app screen. Now to hide the secure folder, just toggle the switch off. Tap on hide secure folder. And as you can see, the secure folder successfully hide from my app screen. And now to again add the secure folder, just go to secure folder settings, verify your lock, and just enable this option. Thanks for watching.